Hello friends, let me show you my new CarPlay mirror adapter. This is useful for displaying an iPhone, any iOS 16 and over phone in your CarPlay system in your car. Okay, so this goes to the car directly. This is the cord for your phone. Let me show you. Okay, this goes to the phone, and if your car has a USB-C port, you can use this adapter, USB-A to USB-C, and you will be able to see in your CarPlay video screen the contents of your iPhone. Let's try it. It even brings this 3M adhesive circle if you want to fix it in your car. For well, if you don't want to lose it, if you don't want to take it out of your car, you just stick it in the car with this 3M circular glue dot, and the adapter will not move and will be stable in your car. Friends, I want to show you how to use this CarPlay mirror adapter. Okay, you are going to be able to see in your car's screen all of your phone's screen. Also, it's really a mirror. Okay, as you can see, it's connecting to the car mirror system. Also, in my phone, there's this icon, and look at that. That's my actual phone screen, everything. Okay, so if you, for example, if you want to see something in YouTube, and the good thing is that when the video starts, it will do it in a landscape, so the video looks great.
For years, this video will have at least one tip and or trick you're going to start using every single day. And thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
So,
the best place to post your
if you want to see something,
let's start
or
at
your
the very
kids,
beginning by creating
or whoever goes with you in the car, if you want to transmit everything that you are seeing in your phone, you'll be able to do it here. Okay, so I think it's great. You see all of your phone contents in the car screen. So, well, it's a nice accessory, really practical for some uses when you want to see things in your car's screen. Perfect.